All right, welcome to BooManager tutorials. My name is Jean-Serge Gagnon, and right now we're going to talk about getting yourself private. So if you're a private person and you're using BooManager because you want to add, you want to find followers, but you don't necessarily want anybody to just add you because you want to pick and you'd rather choose who follows you. That's fine. You can do that with BooManager too. It's great. You could just go on BooManager without registering your profile at all and just start taking pictures of snap codes. But the problem with that is that you can't identify which ones you've already added and which ones you haven't, so then you would lose track pretty quick, right? With the 10,000 users that are on there, you wouldn't be able to manage that very well. So the idea is you create a profile and you make it private. All right, so that what happens is others won't see you when they search for you. So for example, right now, if you go to BooManager right now, while I'm doing the video here, so I've got this profile here, which is a fake profile, right? That I just created, and then the other tutorial I explained to you how to make your profile visible on the main page, right? This is the home page, so you're featured on the home page, so you're right there. But say you don't want that, you want it to be private, right? So right now I'm not even logged in, as you can see in this browser. Let's go to the browser where I am logged in, and I can see that I'm the John Bob. And if I go to the profile and I edit my profile, all I have to do is over here where Snapchat visibility status, I just set that to private. I save the changes, confirm them, and now when I go to the home page, you can see that the profile is not there. If you go to as a user that's not logged in, and I reload the page now that profile is gone, right? The profile is gone. And if I browse and I even search for it, I know the snapcode user. What'll happen is that it'll still show. Oh, I know what's going on. So the other thing too is that BooManager manages whether you can see a profile or not based on your session ID, right? So right now it's showing me that because I'm the same session as the other thing. So this is letting me see the user, and it's showing that it's a private contact. But if I was to open up a incognito window, if I was to open up an incognito window and I was to go to BooManager.com, just like if I was somebody from another place, right? You see that the user's not there, right? If I browse, it's still showing up. Well, maybe that's a bug that I have. I have to figure that, because it should not be doing that. But in any case, that's the intent, is that it wouldn't show up for somebody who isn't supposed to see you, and that'll be fixed by the time you probably watch this video. But the idea is that the user will not show up. Even if you search for the user, it would not show up. Now right now it's showing, I just put a 6 instead of a 5, but say that I put, because if I put a 5 it'll show up right now. But in any case, that's a bug I have to fix. Or there's another reason why this is happening, because I'm all accessing it from the same computer maybe. But the idea is that user would not show up. You wouldn't be able to see it, and that would allow you to not be found, right, as a person who prefers it that way. That's how it works. All right, so that's how you make yourself private in BooManager. All right, we'll see you in the next